Hello. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to get free resources in this mobile game. As you can see, I already have my resources and everything works fine. This method is very simple. Watch this tutorial carefully and follow all the steps and you've finished it in a few minutes. Let's get started. Now jump to mobile screen records for better video quality. In this tutorial I will show you the whole process from the beginning. First, open your favorite web browser and go to modlab.pro. As you can see, on this page you will find many mods for mobile games. Find your game, and go to the next steps. Installing this mod is very simple. Just click on Start Mod and follow the instructions. The last step is a simple verification process. Just complete 2 tasks. Remember to follow the instructions below task. Let's speed up video for this process. Verification is completed. Now back to the game and check your resources. If they don't start growing after a few minutes, try to complete more tasks. Sometimes some of them don't count properly.